I made this entire faceless YouTube video in under 60 minutes using a tool called Sollo AI. Here's exactly how you can do the same to start making money from a faceless YouTube channel, even if you're busy with a full-time job. Step 1. Understand the kind of video we're making. Take a look at this video here. It's that simple style you've probably seen a lot of lately, where a series of AI images sit on the screen while a voice tells a story over the top. They look a bit hand-drawn, almost like a kid's storybook, and there's not much complicated animation. This style of video is actually cheap and quick to make if you use the right AI workflow. And right now, a lot of new channels are growing fast with it. Axon only started posting 2 months ago. Their first video got 2.8 million views. Then they got over 880,000 views, 460,000 views, 242,000 views. And they're replicating the same style of video across their channel. We're not going to just copy Axon or any single channel though. We're just going to borrow the parts that make them work and use them for our own ideas. Step 2. Get your video ideas from Claude. Your first job is coming up with a video idea, and instead of guessing, you can let Claude find ones that already work. Go to Claude, find a channel in the style you like, and take a screenshot of its homepage. Let's use Axon as an example. Then paste that screenshot in along with this prompt. What Claude does is work out why that channel does well, from their titles to who they're talking to, then hands you 20 of your own ideas built the same way. You're not stealing their videos, you're copying the recipe. And if you like, you can take that recipe into a totally different subject, like the history of animals or interesting facts about humans. Pick whichever idea you like most and build the rest of the video around it. I went for this title: What did ancient humans do all day without social media? Step 3. Find the facts that make it different. This next step is the most important one, and it's where most people slip up. Here's what's going on. YouTube now reads your script using Google's AI, and if your video just repeats the same points as every other video on the topic, it simply decides not to show it to many people. So your script has to say something people haven't already heard 100 times. The fix is easy. Go back to Claude with the title you picked and ask it for the interesting, lesser-known material. Save those 10 facts. They're the whole reason your video will stand out, so please don't rush past this the way most people do. Step 4. Write the script in Sollo AI. With your facts ready, it's time to write the script, and this is another place people get it wrong. If you just ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube script, you get something flat and generic that nobody sits through, because those tools weren't built for YouTube. You could write it yourself, which is free, but it takes real time and a fair bit of practice. The option I use is Sollo AI, a tool built just for this. Set up Sollo using the link in the description and then head to the content section. Click YouTube Script Writer. Instead of one lazy prompt, it walks you through a few boxes. You describe your video in a sentence, paste in your title, and then add those 10 facts from Claude where it asks for details. After that, it asks for a channel whose style you want to match, so paste in the link to one of their most popular videos, since that video clearly did something right. Set it to focus on ad revenue, choose around 10 minutes for the length, and hit Generate. About a minute and a half later, your full script is ready with your facts already woven in. Read it through, and if a section feels weak, there's a button to expand it or add more words. Step 5. Turn the script into pictures. With the script done, you turn it into images. This used to be the worst part of the job. You take each line, write a prompt for it, paste it into an image tool, wait, and repeat, over and over, and a single video could eat up your whole afternoon. Sollo does it in one go. Open the scene generator, paste your whole script into the box, choose your image model, and tell it how many scenes you want, maybe 50 for a 10-minute video. Then, pick your look. Cinematic 2D makes it feel like a proper cartoon, while the sketch option gives you that rough hand-drawn style the big channels use. Hit Generate, and a couple of minutes later they're all done. You download them in a single click, and they come out numbered in order, so Scene 1 really is Scene 1, and you're not left guessing which image goes where. Step 6. Add a voice. Next, someone needs to read the script, and you've got a few ways to go. You can record it yourself for nothing. Just look up a free online voice recorder and read it into your laptop mic. You can hire a voice actor on Fiverr or Upwork, though a good one can cost hundreds for one video. Or you do what I do and let Sollo handle it. Go to the voice section, open the VoiceOver Studio, and pick a voice from the library that suits your topic. Paste your script, hit generate, and about a minute later, you've got a natural-sounding voiceover ready to download. And in case you're wondering, AI voices are perfectly fine. Channels using them are still getting monetized right now. Step 7. Put it all together in CapCut. With the voice done, you put the video together, and you don't need any editing experience for it. Open CapCut, which is free, and bring in your images, your voiceover, and some quiet background music if you'd like. Put the voiceover down on the timeline first, then line the images up above it. Play the audio through and drag each image so it lasts as long as the part of the script it belongs to. To stop it feeling like a lifeless slideshow, add a slow zoom to a few of them, so the picture drifts in gently. Keep the music quiet so it sits under the voice instead of fighting it. Since Sollo makes it so that your images get downloaded in the right order, this part goes surprisingly quickly. Then export it all in the highest quality. Step 8. Make the thumbnail and post it. Last up is the thumbnail, and it matters even more than the video itself, because it's what makes someone click in the first place. In Sollo, open the AI Visual Studio and go to the thumbnail maker. You can describe the thumbnail you want and have it built from scratch or paste in a link to one that's already doing well and borrow its layout. Then change the text to fit your video. Make a few versions and keep the best one. Try to keep it simple as well. One clear image and a couple of words, because a busy, cluttered thumbnail tends to get scrolled straight past. Watch out for one setting though. If the persona feature is on, it'll try to include a face onto your thumbnail, so switch that off for a faceless channel. Once you're happy, export your video and thumbnail and upload it. Sollo is amazing for making high-quality YouTube videos fast. But whether your channel takes off still comes down to your topic, your packaging, and trying a few ideas until one clicks. If you'd rather have your whole faceless YouTube automation plan handed to you with the best niches, coaching, ready-made templates, and a community building these channels alongside you, take a look at the Online Business Club. It's run by Dave Nick, a 7-figure entrepreneur who built his business from faceless YouTube automation. I've linked it in the description for you to take a look. To see exactly how you can build a profitable YouTube channel even if you're new, watch this next.